Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to delete your account on the Discord app on PC with the newest update. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to Discord, don't worry. The process is simple, and I'll guide you step by step. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look down toward the bottom left corner. You'll see a small gear icon located right next to your username and profile picture. Click that gear icon to open up your user settings. When the settings menu loads, you'll see a list of different options on the left side. From here, click on the section called My Account. This is where all of your main account information is stored and where you'll be able to manage your login details, profile, or account status. Now scroll down inside the My Account section until you find the option to delete your account. Go ahead and click on Delete Account. At this point, Discord will ask you to enter your account password. This step is required for security, just to make sure it's really you who's deleting the account. So type in your password carefully. Once you've confirmed your password, Discord will give you two final options. You can delete your account permanently, or you can choose to disable it instead. Deleting your account completely removes it from Discord, while disabling it means your account will no longer be active, but it can be reactivated in the future if you ever change your mind. If you want the account fully gone, select Delete. If you'd rather simply take a break, you can click on Disable Account instead. Either option will go into effect right away, depending on your choice. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've managed to delete or disable your account on the Discord app for PC. Whether you're stepping away from Discord permanently, or just taking a pause, now you know exactly how to manage your account with the latest update. Thanks for watching.